In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Notion on Windows. Let's dive right in and make sure you have Notion set up and ready to go on your Windows device, so you can start organizing and managing your projects seamlessly. First, you'll want to make sure you're connected to the internet, as we'll need to visit Notion's official website to download the application. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and navigate to the Notion Downloads page. A quick web search for Notion Downloads should take you there, but make sure to click on the official Notion website to keep everything secure and legitimate. Once you've landed on the download page, you'll see several options depending on the type of device you're using. Focus on the section that says Download for Windows and give that button a click. This action will kickstart the download of the Notion installer file directly to your computer. It's important to be patient while the file downloads. Even though it usually doesn't take long, the exact time could vary depending on your internet speed. You can keep track of this progress in your browser's download manager, which usually appears at the bottom of your browser window. Once the file has completely downloaded, you'll need to locate it in your Downloads folder. It's typically labeled something like notionsetup.exe. The next step involves initiating the installation process. Double-click the downloaded.exe file you just located. This will open the Notion installer and start guiding you through the installation prompts. Don't rush through this. The installer will give you easy-to-follow instructions, and it's crucial to follow them carefully. There might be a couple of terms and conditions to agree to. Just make sure you read these before proceeding to the next step. With the installation complete, you're ready to launch Notion for the first time. To do this, either click on the new Notion shortcut that's appeared on your desktop, or find Notion in your list of apps from the Start menu. Once Notion opens up, you'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. If you already have a Notion account, just enter your credentials, your email, and password, so you can access your workspaces. If you're new to Notion, there's also an option to sign up and create an account, which is an easy process as well. And there you have it. Notion is now fully operational on your Windows device, and you're all set to start organizing your digital life. Make the most of its features by exploring everything Notion has to offer, from task lists to collaborative documents. Thanks for watching, and for more tech tips, be sure to visit regularly or subscribe for future updates.